I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to disable and stop Intel's Killer Intelligence Center from starting when you boot up your Windows computer. Step 1. Navigate to your Windows home screen and then press the Windows and R keys at the same time. The Run dialog box opens. Step 2. Enter services.msc and then click OK. The Services window is displayed. Step 3. Find the following services in this list: Killer Analytics Service, Killer Dynamic Bandwidth Management, Killer Network Service, Killer Provider Data Helper Service, and Killer Smart AP Selection Service. You'll have to disable all of these services to stop the Killer Intelligence Center from starting up on your computer. Step 4. Right-click any of these services to bring up a menu and then click Properties. Step 5. Make sure the General tab is selected. Click to expand the drop-down associated with Startup Type and then choose Disabled in this menu. Click Apply. Your change will be saved. Step 6. Repeat this process to disable all of the Killer Intelligence Center services I have listed on the screen. After you disable all of these services, the Killer Intelligence Center will no longer boot up when you start your Windows computer. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.